Cross-sheet formulas make it easier and faster to connect data across all of your team's work in Smartsheet. Build powerful cross-sheet formulas using pre-built functions, such as VLOOKUP, SUMIF, COUNTIF, and more. The steps you take to select data in another sheet are the same across all different functions. Let's look at how this works when you want to calculate the sum of cells in a different sheet. To get started, you need a destination sheet where you enter your formula, and at least one source sheet which contains the data you want to reference. In the destination sheet, you start the formula by typing equals sum, and then open parentheses. A help card for the sum function pops up to let you know that you should enter a range, or multiple cells, to add together. To enter the range, click on the tab of your source sheet if it's already open, or click on the Reference Another Sheet to open up the Reference Another Sheet window and find your source sheet. Select a range of cells in the source sheet. You can also customize the name for that referenced range. If you're going to be performing calculations on a column of data, we recommend selecting the entire column. That way, if new rows are added to that column, the formula will automatically include the newly entered data. When you're ready, click Insert Reference to save the reference and insert the reference into the formula. Type close parentheses and press the Return or Enter key to see the sum of your range you selected in the source sheet. The cell with the cross-sheet formula now has an inbound arrow, while the reference cells in the source sheet have outbound arrows. If you click once on a cell that contains a cross-sheet formula, Smartsheet will show you two links, one to edit the formula and one to edit the reference. You can also edit a formula by double-clicking on a cell. And that's how you build cross-sheet formulas in Smartsheet. To learn more about Smartsheet, check out these resources.